Hello everyone! In today's tutorial we'll explore a powerful productivity tool called Trello, with numerous platforms and apps available nowadays. Trello is the visual tool that empowers our class to manage any type of project, workflow, or task tracking. I'll walk you through posting tasks and attaching links, websites, photos, videos, documents for seamless collaboration. For example, you can easily include clips or extra information about specific activities. Just click on the relevant task to access all the details. To access the Trello board, simply scan the QR code provided in your evaluation matrix or click in the link. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. That's all, see you in class.